Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you how to set up a Shopify store. Firstly, visit Shopify, then click on the Start Free Trial. Fill in your email, password, and store name. Then complete the setup wizard or skip if you prefer. Now go to Settings, Store Details to add your business information. Configure shipping and payment methods from the Settings menu. Set your store's location, which helps manage inventory and fulfill orders. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and browse the Theme Store event to select a theme. Then click Try Theme to install it. Customize the theme by clicking on Customize on your chosen theme. Now use the drag and drop editor to modify layouts, change fonts, colors, and images, and adjust the header, footer, the homepage to reflect your brand. Then save your changes when done. Now go to Products, then Add Product. Enter the title, description, price, inventory, and shipping details. Add product images and tags for better organization, then save the product. Now to set up the payment gateway, just go to Settings, then Payments. Choose from Shopify payments like PayPal or other options, and follow the prompts to connect and configure your preferred payment method. Finally, go to Settings, Domains to connect your custom domain. Click Remove Password Protection to make your store public and test your store by placing a test order. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.